we looked at our ecosystem as a learning design world with a variety of different aspects to it. So we obviously have our world here, and in our atmosphere around our world we've got students, teachers, and the programs that are taught. And looking at the world, we've got our weather and potential sort of wave systems as innovation in technology. It's what helps drive the world and kind of bring out the best in learning. We've got various different, as I say, aspects to it. The predators of learning design. So we've got things like imposed requirements from up above, key stakeholders, short-sighted decision making, things that might hamper the decisions to improve your learning design. We've got things, I think one of my team members said, didactic pedagogies. So the traditional backward and forward, it's not really inclusive, it's not really modern, it's not really pushing what learning design should be. Poor use of technology as well. So using technology just for the sake of it isn't always a great idea. Moving on to things like languages. So we've got a world of language here, but we can apply that to our learning design. Having a shared understanding, a whole organizational approach to learning design, incorporating different disciplines, making sure that there's a circulation of ideas, communicating with both learners and practitioners, making sure their thoughts and opinions are involved, and getting good examples of what good looks like, or what outstanding looks like, more importantly perhaps. Additionally, we've got the food. So how does that, how is the the learners, as it were, of the world fed? So importantly is the pedagogical approaches that are chosen as part of those designing strategies. Appropriate assessment, which was mentioned earlier, not bunching assessment, all those sorts of things. Interaction, make sure there's communication and collaboration as part of that. I've just put these little spots here of where they are in the world, as it were. Economic powers, so you've got things like the data coming out of that and how that's used and how it's fed in to the wider learning design world. And I think that's pretty much it. Have I missed anything off?